Windy, showery evenings, gales on some southern and western coast, southeast.
Let's get a weather update. Here is Louise Lynn.
Thank you, Simon. Good evening, everybody. I'll try and keep it together because it's not a laughing matter with the weather in Scotland today. It's been pretty wet and windy with the strongest of the gusts of wind across Scotland and Northern Ireland. In fact, we've seen gale force gusts into Wales and across the western parts of England. We've had some sunshine with highs of 24 degrees. So that's 75 Fahrenheit. Let's move back to this area of low pressure that's been sitting across the northwest. It's been sitting across the northwest in the last couple of days, and it's bringing some wet and windy weather. So down to the south, we've got some drier weather. In the next couple of hours, we could actually see some pretty sharp showers across the far north of Scotland, and a real cluster of thunderstorms developing. It does look as though those showers will start to drift their way steadily southwards and clear away overnight. So that area of low pressure will continue to move its way steadily east. We'll see one or two sharper showers across the Midlands and North Wales, and it's going to be a mild night through the night with temperatures widely staying into double figures. So we start off tomorrow morning, I'm pleased to say, on a slightly quieter note. It looks as though we'll have a northwesterly breeze which will continue to drive slightly fresher air across the country and one or two isolated showers. Now the showers still have the risk of the odd rumble of thunder in them, but they should be isolated and top temperatures of around 15 to 22 degrees. As we move out of Thursday, we'll see this brief ridge of high pressure drifting up from the far south and west, and that will quieten conditions down considerably. It does look as though we will continue on Friday to see a good deal of dry weather in the offing. Again, still that just a little bit fresher, with the risk of a few sharp showers gathering into the northwest with temperatures of 15 to 23 Celsius. Those showers ease away through Friday into Saturday, and an area of high pressure will build from the southwest during the start of the weekend, but unfortunately at the same time we've got an area of low pressure battling into the extreme northwest, and that could bring some wet and windy weather into the far north of Scotland. Keep watching the weather forecast for a more sensible forecast, certainly with some rain into the far north of Scotland, drier and sunnier down to the south. I'm so glad that's over, Simon.
It wasn't your fault, and it wasn't my fault, and we'll leave it there. Louise, thank you very much. Plenty more to come with the news at 6 with Sophie Raworth, but from us, a very good evening.
That's obviously very